up, dog. Turn them up, turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them
High
up,
volume.
cross them up, all these street need bosses. Cross them up, turn your click up, dog.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Skinny Back Regan. I am back with another video. So today, as y'all can tell by the title, we are about to try the new Popeyes chicken dippers. And they came out with it probably like last week or 2 weeks ago or something like that. So we just finna see how they are. They look like, just like they said, chicken dippers or chicken fingers or something like that. So hopefully it's good. They're not spicy. These are the mild ones. I don't know if they got a spicy or not. You will have to check that out. But I got me some sweet heat to kick it. You know what I'm saying? To put a little kick to it. So we about to try these. Before we get into this video, for all my big backians, skinny and backians, chicken Slovakians, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. We are at 122 subs, y'all. I appreciate everybody for joining the family. I love y'all, skinny backians, big backians, and chicken Slovakians. Well, with that being said, y'all, let's get into this video. Man, we about to see how these chicken dippers is. Now, if y'all ain't tried sweet heat before, it's like a little hot sauce with honey, basically. Let's see how they, oh, snap, hold on. Okay, so you see this how the chicken dippers look. Little something. Popeyes is going crazy. Hold on. These a hit, boy. These is a hit. Hey, boy, y'all got something going on over there at Popeyes, man. Whoever up in there, Louisiana, whoever over there, and translating it over here, y'all got something going on. I ain't gonna lie to you. These are fire, right? I love Popeyes tenders already, so the dippers just make it even more good. Like, they give you a handful of them, and it's only like $4.99. Look at me sound like a salesperson. It's only like $4.99 though. Look at it with the sauce. Look like little shrimps or something. But it's chicken. Man. This is fire. Man, I think I still got a lot left. Look, still got a lot left. That's crazy. Popeyes is on to something. I hope they keep these around forever, because limited time is crazy. You can't have no limited time on these. For real. If y'all haven't, go try these. I don't even got no more sweet heat. Look, man. I don't got no more sweet heat. I'm forcing the sweet heat now. Now crack open that second.
Is it good?
Bro, they fire.
They are.
These
What
is
it tastes
fire.
like?
It's just like taste like chicken tenders.
Chicken tenders.
The regular chicken tenders. They just smaller. They just smaller.
And you think they're better than the chicken tenders?
Damn near. And it's cheaper.
How much were they?
$4.99.
This is so hard. Have you ever like Have you ever tried to like do something, try to be perfect, and then you realize that it was not gonna come out the way you want to come out? So
Ah, I dropped one. Dang.
big back.
That's tough. Yeah, I just dropped one, man.
Are you even listening to me?
What? Yeah. Say it again.
Have you ever tried to do something and then you want it to be perfect, but then you realize that it was not gonna be perfect? So
We want everything to be perfect in life.
but it's not gonna be perfect though. It's only
Not.
50%. But it's just like you gotta go with the flow of things, like regardless of wanting it to be perfect. Because if you wait and try to make it be perfect, then you're not gonna never get it done.
Yep, you ain't gonna never get it done. I'd rather have it not be perfect than get it done. For me to wait for it to be perfect. And then I won't get it done, you know what I'm saying? If that makes sense.
But basically, this is stressful. Because I feel like, I don't know.
Y'all, I'm kind of blue. I just dropped one of my stuff. That looked good over there. I gotta put it up in the garbage.
How do you even work this?
Oh, the sweet getting to me. Kind of getting a little sweaty.
What?
Look, y'all. What I got left. Like I said, y'all, overall, these are good. Like, these are really good. I give it a 10 out of 10. That's fresh. If that wasn't fresh, it probably wouldn't taste good. That's our last few. It's too good.
It's good.
Man,
What it tastes like? I'm so hungry.
it tastes like,
I feel like I'm gonna never eat it again.
yes, you gonna eat tomorrow. Last one, y'all. Y'all want it? Take. Nope, I need it. Sorry.
Let's sit this way.
Got some fun.
Look.
That's rough. So y'all, that was our first time trying the chicken dippers. I give it a 10 out of 10. I'm going back probably tomorrow to give me some. You hear me? I love them. Them is really good. Like I said, I love the tenders. So the dippers just put the cherry on top, to be honest. But that's the end of this video, y'all. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. And make sure you comment down below what you rate the chicken dippers, or if you have the chicken dippers. Let me know, man. Y'all be scared to comment. Let me know, for real. That being said, peace.